This stylish bed will provide comfort and space. It's perfect for siblings who share a room or for sleepovers. It is crafted from 100% pinewood reinforcements. This bunk bed is for added storage or can be separated into one twin and one full-size bed and a trundle bed. The side of the bed can be stored. The design of the stairs is also safer. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Twin over full bunk bed with stairs. Built-in stairway instead of ladder for easy access to the top bunk. Number 2. Twin over full bunk bed separate. This twin over full stairway bunk bed can be separated into one twin and one full-size bed and a trundle bed. But the top bunk footboard will have the gap that is the entryway for the stairway. Number 3. Twin over full bunk bed with storage. Optimize storage space. With 4 storage, the lowest going down to the ground, there is more storage space that can be accessed by the little ones. Number 4. Twin over full bunk bed with trundle. The trundle bed has the same size as the upper bed and is great for accommodating children's sleepover guests and friends. Number 5. Overall dimensions. 90 inches length by 57.8 inches width by 65.3 inches height. With no box spring required. This piece comes with simple assembly instructions. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What is the max thickness for the top mattress? Answer. For this twin over full bunk bed with trundle, the max size of the top mattress is 9.3 inches. Question number 2. Does this include the trundle bed piece? Answer. Yes, friend, this twin over full bunk bed includes a trundle and the size of the trundle bed is 75.5 inches by 40.6 inches. Question number 3. What is the warranty for this product or where can I find it? Answer. For this twin over full bunk bed with trundle and stairs, the warranty is 1 year. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.